A recent update to the OCI console allows users to monitor key metrics of their OAC deployment. In this short video, we will go into detail on how these metrics can be leveraged to ensure your OAC deployment is running optimally and effectively. To start, from the OCI console, we'll click on the hamburger menu and go down to Analytics and AI and click on Analytics Cloud. Now, this feature is available on all OAC deployments. There's nothing to enable. So for purposes of demonstrations, we'll select this one. And now if I scroll down underneath Resources, I can see Activity Log, Private Access Channel, and Metrics. So let's click on Metrics. And let's scroll down. Now I can see we have access to two key metrics. One, the data source connection errors, and two, query capacity usage. Let's go into each of these a little deeper. Our data source connection errors, this will indicate the number of times a connection error occurs when OAC tries to access data directly through your data model. Currently, we are not supporting this for self-service connections. This is only monitoring connections within your data model. What I can see, I can change my start and end time. I can change the interval, but this is especially important because it allows you to monitor the instance from afar to ensure that we don't have a broken data source connection. Maybe the connection details are incorrect, or maybe the backend server has gone down. Now we can come into our OCI console and we can see if our end users are hitting these error messages. So what we'll do is we'll just get a little historical data and we'll set the interval to days. Now I can see on a specific day the number of data source connection errors that I've had. With this information, I can go back to my tenancy admin and we can drill further into the logs of our OAC deployment so we can find the source of these data source connection errors. The second metric that we have the ability to monitor is our query capacity usage. This indicates the percentage of available query capacity of your OAC instance. If your query capacity is consistently high, your org's usage might be consuming a significant amount of resources. This could be due to a number of different reasons, perhaps the design of the model, an abundant use of concurrent users. Regardless of what's triggering the event, we now have the ability to come in and we can monitor, or we can go back and view our historical query usage over a given period of time. And so with this information, we might be able to better scale our OAC instance, or we can determine that, on this specific day, we really shouldn't have seen this spike in query capacity usage. Maybe we need to go back and look at the data model a little closer. On both of these metrics, both the data source connection errors and the query capacity usage, we do have the ability to set up an alarm. For example, if we wanted to set an alarm that would notify the end user that if we have more than 3 data source connection errors in a day, send us an email. And this will give us the ability to react quickly. Or if our query usage comes over 50% for more than 20 minutes, send me an email. Now, these alarms need to be set up by your tenancy admin, but you can use your email as the validating email. So when an alarm is triggered, it will go to the end user. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.